bagaimana? Mengkilap kan? Mengkilap cuy. Kita tunggu sampai kering ya. Ini kita lihat udah merata sih. Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kembali lagi dengan gue Adli di channel Adliku Motovlog. Selamat pagi, selamat siang, dan selamat sore buat teman-teman semua. Semoga semua yang sedang menonton video ini dalam keadaan baik-baik saja, sehat walafiat, kaya raya tercukupi, dan juga bahagia. Amin ya Allah ya rabbal alamin. Oke teman-teman, di sini gue ada helm KYT titik cross yang warna hitam doff, tapi di sini warnanya udah mulai kusam-kusam ya. Dan di sini juga ya udah, karena udah helm lama juga dan kayaknya sih belum pernah dicuci. Nah, untuk visornya karena kemarin habis hujan-hujanan jadi agak kotor ya. Di sini gue mau kasih tutorial bagaimana cara mengembalikan warna hitam si titik cross ini menjadi seperti baru lagi. Beneran ini udah banyak baret-baret ya, apalagi ini bekas kepentok bergaris gitu ya. Kita akan coba membersihkannya ya. Oke, langsung aja ya teman-teman. Di sini kita buka visornya dulu. Untuk pembersihan visornya berbeda ya. Kita lepas dulu untuk intercomnya supaya tidak mengganggu. Kita buka intercomnya aja ya. Dan visornya juga.
A few moments later.
Kita nggak perlu membersihkannya dengan air. Kita langsung aja menggunakan satu bahan. Di sini ada bahan yang udah gua belinya di online ya. Untuk link pembeliannya nanti gua selipin di link deskripsi bila kalian ingin menggunakan bahan ini ya. Ini ada busanya ya. Di sini ada sarung tangannya. Dan ini adalah namanya Perfect Black. Ini sebenarnya dipergunakan untuk dashboard motor apa namanya? Bodi motor yang kasar ya, yang berwarna hitam. Tapi di sini kita coba aplikasikan di helm. Untuk keamanan kita pakai ini aja ya. Dikit dulu ya. Kita coba dulu di barisan yang ini guys. Widih.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt, they're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.